All right, so it's time to start taking this place apart. So looking for a bigger, more open feel. Well, we already got it somewhat just by getting these doors out. Take a look. We'll come spin around from the other side. Here we are in the main living room area, and now I can kind of see out. Now we're going to go ahead and take out more of this top part up here. Oh, I'm backwards. Take out this top part up here. And also we're going to be, making some changes. Whoa, look at that. Making changes here. All right, so demo is starting. First thing is we had to get rid of these doors right here. So right here, doors are out. We're gonna go ahead and, let me back on up here. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna remove this whole upper part here. Probably still something sitting there, maybe some plants coming down there. Underside of this is a closet. I'll come around the other side. You can probably open that up more to this side. Now this wall, I have high hopes I can get rid of this guy. Get rid of this guy. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. But I'm gonna come back through front door area. Just as I walk in already, you'll notice just getting rid of those doors, how much more of an opening we have. Let me come on through. And now we can see it from the other side. I'll be right back with that. Okay, now we're coming in from the back door, out by the garage. There's our fireplace. This is kind of the main living room area. And we can already see just what a difference it makes, just having that open. Again, we're gonna open up this, we're gonna change this up a little bit, and then hopefully on the other side here, we'll make some changes, but I also wanna open this up top here. That'll help us just kind of open this whole area up to the rest of the house. Well, we're having a bit of an overcast day outside, which is kind of nice being outside. Feels a little bit more muggy and whatnot. But now I tell you, inside, we're starting to make it feel much more bright and open. I don't know if this is going to show up here, but you have a whole ribbon of water coming off the other side. You also have dripping come off on this side. And then there, that's how your downspout. We got water spitting everywhere here. That's not good for your foundations.